Hey guys, I'm back with another video and I am gonna search up these people.
Ow.
By the way, don't mind all this. I don't know what this is. This has all my things is, so I'm not showing that. And the last video I didn't upload because I showed you guys something I wasn't supposed to show you, so I had to delete it and do this again. So we'll search up all girls love you, and it's this guy. He was so annoying to me, so I blocked him and then unfriended him. The next one was Tilly XX 2008. Shush. And I think we might have had a fight or something, but yeah. That's one of the girls. Well, people. Prince Bling. Prince. Let's copy it. No. Copy. Paste. Yes. Him. I'm gonna friend him because I want to. Alexander Lockwood. Excuse me, there is someone called that. Alexander Lockwood. I think he deleted his account or something. I don't know. Probably has. Yeah, he has. Recording. Next person is Foxy Pop. Wait. This person. Oh. That's so sad. Let's search up 90. Copy. She got locked out forever. Her account, someone else's account. I don't know. But oh, never mind. Right, purple's 135. Oh man. Purple's 135. Her. Live K-pop, it's my life. I think she copied. Yes, she flipping copied my status. Candy something packed me. No, I did not pack you. Wait. No, I did not pack her or hack her. Sorry, you have a No, guys, I do not hack. I promise that. Why would I?
It's not copyright. It's Michael.
Why would I do that? Let's say Popsy 101. Popsy101M. Her. I have blocked her. Let's unblock her, see what his status says. She blocked me, so I'm going on restart my other account. And by the way, who likes this? Okay, so I'm on here. I need money, so yeah. Give me money. Hi, Snowy.
He's not dead.
Huh?
He just has cuts on his arm. I'm talking to Brian or whoever he is.
Oh, never mind. Wait, so Jacob gave Bran his account.
Yeah, technically, yes.
Oh,
No, but Brian's doing a favour for him. He's taking the account over for him.
because he's too something. Right, I need
It's too
fame.
upsetting, like depressing that. But I'm glad he's not dead.
So why would he lie?
I don't know.
Okay, 2,500. Yay. Is it true we're not double frame? Yes. Should I?
I'm asking Brent to let us talk to Jacob.
Cool. Guys, in the next video, I'm gonna open my piggy bank, and I will greet my sister or myself. Popsy101M. In another video, I'll do the rest. So
How dare! How dare!
this is gonna be the last
I'm
one.
actually gonna stop crying. Let's listen to this.
Yeah.
I'm getting to talk to him.
Cool. So guys, that's it for today's video. I will record soon once this video posts. So please subscribe to my sister. I'll link her channel down below. And yeah, bye.